Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start any video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on PixelLab easily. Open the PixelLab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, duplicate the photo, change the color of photo, to back the photo, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.